How to sell print on demand on TikTok. Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. I hope you all are doing great and are having an amazing and absolutely incredible day. In this video, we're going to be talking about TikTok and how you can actually start print on demand on your TikTok in the easiest, most simplest way possible, okay? Now, print on demand is obviously a whole procedure where you print on demand, like you take products, okay? So let's say there's a blank shirt. You are going to put it up on your store and you're going to be like, hey guys, I am offering this product. So you can obviously buy this for yourself and use this, however you please. So a person will buy that product and they'll tell you what kind of design they want on it. Or maybe you can even ask them for a picture of your design and people will opt for that design. And it's your job to obviously apply that design onto the product that you're selling or providing. And we're going to be talking about all of that in this video. So please do make sure to fully watch this video all the way till the end so you can get a general idea of how all of this is going to work for you. So yeah, just keep watching till the end and you will surely understand what will take to actually start a proper, you could say in a way, drop shipping and print on demand business on TikTok. So to start things off, what we are going to want to do is we're going to come to our TikTok, make sure our account is logged in and everything. And once you are fully set it up with your TikTok account, what you're going to do from there is you're going to make sure that you have a provider that will start providing, things on TikTok. So the provider for this video that we're going to be choosing is called Printify. Okay, so we're going to head over to printify.com. And once you head over to printify.com, over there, you're going to create an account. And the account creation process is really simple, as you can clearly see in front of you. And once you've created an account and everything, what you're going to do from there on out is you're going to start actually importing the printed products from your Printify into your TikTok. Now, once you've created an account, you're gonna walk yourself from there in the easiest, most simplest method by connecting an actual store for yourself. So the store connection process is really simple, roughly, okay? So let me walk you through the steps on how you're gonna do that. So to start things off, what you're gonna do is you're gonna come over to your Printify, make sure you have an account. Once you do, log into your actual store. And once you log into your actual store, what's going to happen from here is that it's going to ask you to, create a catalog, create your products and all. And once you create a catalog with actual products, from there, what's going to happen is that you're going to actually take those products and, you can create brand videos about them. You can go ahead and tell people how these products are going to be helpful for them, how that product will, work for them. So to start things off, you're going to come over to store settings. We're going to go back here. You're going to click on add new store and you're going to choose TikTok US. So you're going to create your store on your TikTok US account. So you're going to click on I want to create a new store. I'm just going to call this TikTok for clothes. And once you do that, you're going to click on connect. Now, once you do that, it asks you a few things to connect your TikTok shop. So you're going to want to make sure that your TikTok account is connected to the TikTok shop. If you don't know how to do that, obviously you're simply going to come over to your Google and you're going to write TikTok shop over here. Make sure that you have a proper TikTok shop set it up. This is required because without this, you will not be able to import your products from Printify to TikTok and, actually show them on your timeline or your account or wherever you want to show them. So once we've made sure that we have a TikTok shop, you're going to connect your TikTok shop to your Shopify, to your Printify, and you're going to click on connect. It's going to ask you your TikTok shops, seller centrals, login and everything, and you're going to make sure to do all of that because that's compulsory. Once you do that and once you set all of that up, you can actually go through the guidelines of the TikTok seller account. So go with the proper guidelines, the registration guidelines, the selling product guidelines. You're going to go over all of that, and once you do that, you're finally going to come over to catalog where we're actually going to start making our products. So in the catalog section over here, you're going to choose the type of niche you want to go with. So a niche is the category of products that we're going to create. So in this example, I'm going to go ahead into men's clothing and we're going to go into, let's go with sweatshirts. So in sweatshirts, basically we're going to create a design that is, fetch and more into niche nowadays, and people will, more likely wear this stuff. So go into any blend. So let's say I'm going to come to this custom crew neck sweatshirt. And once you're over here, you're going to simply click on start designing. Before clicking on start designing, you do need to make sure that you check the providers that give this. So the production time for this shirt is, as you can see, less than 1 day, which is pretty incredible. The standard shipping charges are around $8.5, and the price varies from $16.8 to obviously even more. So if you like what you see, you're simply going to click on start designing, and it brings you to the actual designer central, where you're going to add your designs onto the actual sweatshirt. So once we're over here, you can add your design from your own device, or you can add some custom textings, or you can add some type of funky design over it. Now let's say our client or someone who's bought our shirt wants to get a certain type of design, and you've downloaded that design. So I'm going to come over to my device, and let's say my client has given me this design over here. Okay, they've sent me this photo. They're like, okay, you need to make this design printed onto the sweatshirt. So we're going to do exactly that. Okay, so you're going to upload the design into the design central over here, and you can see that it's going to slowly start loading in. Now, once it starts loading in, once it fully uploads the picture, you're going to want to go ahead and expand it, add the necessary detailings, make sure it fits in the square. You don't necessarily need to fit it all in the square, but just enough so that it actually looks nice. So again, make sure that, again, not necessary to fit it whole in the square. So I'm just gonna increase the width to a point where, it shouldn't cause an issue with my aspect ratio. There we go. So the borderings work pretty well. You're going to keep it in the center, and then you're going to actually select the colors you want this design on. So I'm going to go with white. I'm going to go with black. Let's go with a royal. Let's go with a navy blue as well. No, I'm not going to go with red. Let's add a green. And once you've chosen your colors, simply from there, you're going to click on save product. Now, once you click on save product, what this will do is it will start creating mock-ups of your actual design. Okay, it's going to start showing you how your design is going to look to people, how it's going to look over people. You're going to start seeing model photos, and look at that. So pretty nice, right? So this is how your overall design looks. You can actually see the model photos, the person to photo, expand the actual photo, and see the actual design in as itself. So once you like the design and like the actual look of it on the sweatshirt, what you're going to do from there is you're going to make sure to change the name if you want to, change the description. Now, the custom description that they've default added is the best in my opinion, so just go with that. Select all the variants and sizes, obviously, and you're going to finally click on publish. Now, once you click on publish, this will basically publish this design that you've added into your TikTok store, okay? Or into your TikTok shop. So yeah, once these are published properly, you're going to find them in your TikTok shop, and once you found them in your TikTok shop dashboard, start adding them in the case of ads into your actual TikTok, and that is basically how you're going to sell print on demand on TikTok in the easiest way. So thank you for watching this video all the way till the end, and I'll see all of you next time. Goodbye.